Today we're going to learn metal banding. As you can see, I've got a roll of metal banding strap, but be the same for nylon. I've got my clips, my ratcheting tightener, and my crimping pliers. As you can see, the piece coming from the loop near you will go on top. When you push this handle down, it allows you to slide the banding into your tightener. Your back foot here goes on top, and then you carefully tighten it, not too much, because they will slip. It's probably good. And then something like this, one crimp is plenty if you get it done correctly, but you have to make sure your crimp is pushed down good with the pliers before you pull it. I'm gonna have to set you down. And that's all there is to it. Of course, if you have a precarious bundle of anything that you're moving or just want to stay together for a long time, you can put 2 or even 3 clips. But for the purpose of this well-stacked unit of boards, form boards, going to a job site, has to triple the safety of just ratchet straps on your load, having it banded also. So, good luck. Hope this helped.